Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on clearing website data on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Clearing the website data will remove website cookies, credentials, and other browsing data. Press the digital crown to open the App menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. In Settings, select General. Scroll down the General settings and tap Website Data. Tap Clear Data. Then tap Clear Data again on the pop-up. Your watch's website data is now cleared. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.